In this video, we're going to translate the following text to symbols. In other words, we're going to take a description and convert it to the symbols of algebra, essentially. Let's have a look at them. 1, 8 times the number x. 2, 6 times the number y. 3, the sum of the number a. And 3 times the number b. So let's have a look at how we can perform this translation. So we have number 1, which is 8 times x. So I'll write out 8 and the x. We need to use these. So I can write out 8 times x, which can further be written as 8 times x, where we use the symbol for multiplication. Or in algebra, you just write 8x. The implication is there's a multiplication sign between the 8 and the x. So the way in which we express this text in algebra is as shown here. So let's consider number 2, which is 6 times y. So we know we have the figure 6 and the symbol y. So I can write this out as 6 times the symbol for y. And of course, I can replace the times with the symbol for multiplication and go on to say that the result is 6y. So this, written in algebra, is 6y. Let's consider 3. It says the sum of the numbers a and 3 times the number b. I'm going to extract the following. Symbol a, the symbol b. I also know I'm going to have 3 because it's 3 times something. And I'm going to have the sum, which is another word for let's add something together. The text tells us we have 3 times b, so I'll write that out first. I know that can be written as 3 times b using the symbol for times, but it's more readily wrote out as 3b. Of course, the text refers to the sum of a and 3 times b, which means we add them up. Consequently, we can write out here a plus 3b. This text here, in its algebraic form, can be written as shown here, a plus 3b, which is the sum of a and 3b.